Do you believe in miracle? Where green meets care for the words that healthy and fair. Say goodbye to dirt, hello to the shine of lemongrass and calamansi.
Ay nako, walang nangyayari sa nililinis ko. Nakakapagod. Saan kaya ako makakahanap ng panglinis na all-in-one? Ang dumi-dumi lagi.
Oh, eto! Eco Wash All-in-One. Pwede pang linis ng sahig, pinggan, lamesa at bintana at marami pang iba. O ano, gulat ka no?
O talaga?
Ayaw mong maniwala o eto, panoorin mo.
Eco Wash, pwedeng paghugas ng pinggan.
Eco Wash, pwede rin paglinis ng CR.
Eco Wash na pwede rin paglinis sa bintana.
Wow, ang galing naman ng Eco Wash All-Purpose Cleaner.
Kung hindi ka pa rin naniniwala sa bisa ng Eco Wash All-Purpose Cleaner, panoorin mo to.
Libo-libong kalamansi ginawa, mga damulag na inilatag sa tingin ng bayan. At ang bayan ng pinili, nasa dulo ng napalit. Eco Wash na all-in-one, nangakit kumakaway. Piliin mo dekalidad ang kasangkapan. Gamitin mo pang linis mo, kaya maninigas. Piliin mo ito clean.
Very useful naman pala ng Eco Wash All-Purpose Cleaner. Saan kaya ako makakabili niyan?
Introducing Eco Wash All-Purpose Cleaner. For inquiries, you can visit our Facebook page and TikTok page. For our advertisement, you can watch through Facebook and TikTok page. Watch this!
Eco-friendly all-purpose cleaner ba ang hanap mo panlinis sa bahay? Introducing Eco Wash All-Purpose Cleaner. Click the yellow basket.
Hanap mo ba'y panlinis ng lamesa, pinggan, sahig o bintana? Oh, eto na! Sa'yo na! Eco Wash All-Purpose Cleaner! Bili na!
Hanap nyo ba ang dekalidad na all-purpose cleaner? Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Ang Eco Wash All-Purpose Cleaner, makakasiguradong kasangkapan ay natural.
Lemongrass and Calamansi All-Purpose Cleaner is a natural, eco-friendly cleaning solution that offers many benefits. Natural and eco-friendly, made from natural ingredients like lemongrass and calamansi, it is safe for environment and does not contain harsh chemicals. Versatile use, it can be used on various surfaces as floor, countertops, appliances, and bathrooms, making it convenient all-in-one cleaner. Effective cleaning, the combination of lemongrass and calamansi provides a powerful cleaning action, removing dirt, grime, and stains effectively without damaged surface.
Fresh scent. The natural citrus scent of lemongrass leaves a pleasant, fresh fragrance in your home. Biodegradable and safe, being biodegradable and made from renewable resources. It is gentle on the environment and safe to use around children and pets. Cost-effective, it is an affordable alternative to chemical-based cleaners, and its multi-purpose use saves money by eliminating the need for multiple cleaning products.
Pag sinabi kong Eco, sabihin nyo, what? Eco! What?